If you've still got factory halogen lights in your brand new Silverado or any other vehicle that you own and are looking to upgrade it, today we're going to be installing a set of these Oracle V-Series LED bulbs into our 2015 Silverado. Now, Oracle V-Series bulbs pretty much are made to fit any other vehicle. You just have to select the drop-down when you go on our website and you can choose one that is precision fit for your modern vehicle. And what I really like about these bulbs is that they are plug and play and they offer a 360-degree light adjustment. And what I mean by that is you can actually turn the top of the bulb head to get proper beam and aim on the headlights, unlike many other LED bulbs on the market. For a pair of these, they're going to output 3600 lumens, and with all four I have here on the table, if you have them all on, it's going to be over 7000 lumens. So that being said, we're going to get them installed in the Silverado and see how they look. Okay guys, so we're at the front of the truck. We've got the hood popped and we're going to be doing this on the driver's side. If you do it over on the passenger side, you do have to remove the top of the airbox there. It's not too hard, but it is easier to show you guys what's going on this side. Now you do have a high and low beam, and ironically they're flipped. The low beam is up top and the high beam is down below. We're gonna go ahead and replace both of the bulbs and show you a comparison of the before and after and leave the passenger side factory halogen. So you'll be able to see on our garage door wall exactly what the difference is between the LED and the halogen. Let's get started. So these do have some plastic backings on them. What you're gonna do is just twist them to the left a little bit, kind of wiggle them out. I think we might have locked that one in actually a little bit worse. So you're gonna pull the housings off, pull the top one, we can pull the lower one, twist them to the left to release them. Now we have access to the bulbs. First thing we're going to do is change out the low beam by twisting it to the left. And you can see we've got the bulb out. Now with that out, what we're going to do is depress on this harness here and pull it right out. So that's going to be the low beam is up top. We're going to go ahead and grab our bulb and we'll plug that back in and put it back into the socket. So you can see we've got our brand new Oracle V-Series low beam bulb here. It's got the exact same factory connection and this nice looking shroud that has a heat sink on the back so it doesn't run too hot when it's inside there. What we're first going to do is plug it back in. And you might hear a click, you might not. Ours didn't really click too loud, but you can feel it's in there. Just double check. We're going to set it back into the housing and twist it counterclockwise to lock it in, just like that. Now we're gonna do the exact same on the bottom bulb, which is the high beam. So here's gonna be the high beam, exact same thing. Nice heatsink on the back to definitely make it a lot cooler. We've already unplugged the factory one. We're gonna go ahead and just grab the harness. Now once you have both of them in, we're going to verify that they both work before we put those back housings on, and then we'll repeat the exact same process on the other side, but first we're going to show you comparison. Alright guys, we're going to fire them up. Once again, we do have the LED on the driver's side. You'll be able to tell as soon as we turn it on. Here's just a short comparison of the low beam and the high beam. So you can see guys, dramatically improved the lighting capability of it on the left side with the 6000K white output. It's a lot better than that yellow halogen light, and it really makes it look like a modern vehicle. Overall, I'm pretty impressed, and the installation time is really quick. It doesn't take much to pop those bulbs out and throw these new ones in. Alright guys, well we just wrapped up the installation of these Oracle V-Series headlight bulbs on our 2015 Silverado. Now, as you can see, it really does give the truck a modern look, and I really like the way they installed with a plug-and-play design. Now, we did replace the high and low beams. You can do this one at a time or all together like we did to really give your truck a modern appearance. Oracle does offer LED bulbs for many other vehicles. Just simply check on the drop-down menu on our site and you can see if we have a bulb for your car or truck. Now, if you want to check these Oracle lights out, be sure to visit us at cjponyparts.com. And until next time, I'll see you guys out on the trail. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here. And for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.